Kiuria gia kana thirikari ni koretwo gikinyaniria githomo gitari marihi ni undu koretwo gicokera mateta magithie na mbere makoni gucerithirio gwa kigina kia mahuthiro ma arutwo kiria gikoretwo gikinyihio o mwaka. Na ona arugamiriri anene a Mathukuru matari marona kihonia kia mathire ma mamilioni ma besha. Ministry ya githomo yugite mwaka ukite maundu maya kuritoha thutha wa kunyihio gwa kigina kiria kiendekithitio ni undu wa mahuthiro ma arutwo ma mwaka wa 2025-2026.
And given that you are reducing the money on capitation, are we still implementing free education, free day secondary education?
Akiaria mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie githomo, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo Belio Kipsang atariria ati thukuru cia muthingi inyihirio kigina kia muigana wa shiringi bilioni 1.2, thukuru cia JSS nacio ikinyihirio kigina kia muigana wa shiringi bilioni 4, riri nacio thukuru cia secondary cia D inyihirio kigina gia shiringi bilioni 21.
Is that there is some slight underfunding of primary education to the tune of 1.2 billion shillings. On free day secondary school, there is an underfunding of 21.87 billion shillings. That's the only one which we need to look into. On junior school, I think we shall be able to live within the funding that
Kajo ya igeranio bururi-ini onayo ni nyihirio kigina kia urugamiriri wa igeranio na shiringi bilioni 3.8. Kipsang akiuga niguo gukinyaniria igeranio ciothe ithatu iria itanyitwo muthia-ini wa mwaka. Kajo ya igeranio irabatara shiringi bilioni 3.57 cia gukinyaniria kigeranio gia KSJA na shiringi bilioni 8.1 cia kigeranio gia KCPE na KPSEA.
On the national examination, that's where we have a huge underfunding at 6.7 billion shillings. And just like this financial year, we have not funded the staff requirements for Kenya National Examination Council at 1.18 billion shillings.
Honge ingi iria nyihirio kigina kia mahuthiro ni tabarira ya irio mathukuru-ini na shiringi bilioni 4, shiringi milioni 450 cia thukuru cia boarding cia gikiro gia thi, shiringi milioni 350 cia tabarira cia ukuria thukuru-ini cia muthingi na shiringi bilioni 1.9 cia tabarira cia ukuria thukuru-ini cia secondary. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.